back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious mashed potato with shrimp. Yes, it comes out amazing. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready and soft and moist are potatoes. I have boiling water. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'm adding the potatoes into this boiling water. I am going to cook it until the potatoes are nice and soft. It's going to take about 30 minutes. Look at this. After they're nice and soft, I'm going to take them and put them in a plate. I'm going to leave them there for at least 15 minutes until I am able to handle them, to take the skin off carefully without taking none of the potato out. I'm going to score them just like that so I could start removing all the skin. Let me tell you, this creamy and delicious potato and shrimp really comes out amazing. I am going to start taking all the skin off, being very careful to only remove the skin. Once this is done, I am ready to smash them really good. You really want all the potato to be nice and smashed. Once this is nice and smashed and creamy, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we are going to add 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. This is really going to make the potatoes so creamy and delicious that I know you guys are really going to love this amazing creamy potato and shrimp recipe. Look at this. When it's nice and hot, add the butter, because the butter is really going to coat all the potato. Look at this. This is a very easy and delicious recipe that I know your family is really going to love. Well, here, of course, if you don't have heavy whipping cream, you could add sour cream. But I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to incorporate it really good. And as you could see, it's already getting nice and creamy. Look at this. This looks amazing. Of course, taste it to see if you need to add a little more salt. Remember that we added salt in the boiling water. I'm going to add a little more salt, and remember that the salt is to taste. Once you add your salt, look how creamy this is. I am ready to transfer it to the presentation plate. Look how beautiful and creamy this mashed potato looks. Well, here I am going to go ahead, transfer it to another plate, and then just let it rest. Let it come to room temperature while I start preparing our shrimp. Look how creamy this is. Oh my gosh, you could eat it just like that. But remember, when you add the shrimp, it just goes to another level. A delicious, gourmet, amazing recipe. Of course, I'm going to make a little indentation right in the center, because that's where I'm going to add all my shrimps. When you start making this recipe, prepare your shrimp first. Let me show you. I have clean, deveined all my shrimp, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of all the spices: black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, salt to taste. And of course, the pepper flakes. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm going to mix it very well, incorporating all those amazing and delicious spices. I'm going to let it rest for at least 30 minutes. so that all those spices really penetrate inside the shrimp. Of course, that I already have a plate ready that it's been sitting in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I'm going to put some saran wrap right on the top, cover it, and let it rest for about 30 minutes. I'm going to take the one I have in the refrigerator and I am ready to start cooking. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Into this, I am going to add all the shrimp that has been marinated for at least 30 minutes. I'm going to separate it really good, making sure that all the shrimp cooks really well and it gets nice and golden brown. This is going to take just a couple minutes. Don't overcook your shrimp. You want the shrimp to still be nice and juicy. I'm going to flip one by one. As you could see, it's already getting nice and golden brown. And that's exactly how I'm going to enjoy it. And all those drippings I am going to add into the mashed potato, the creamy mashed potato. Look how delicious this looks. This is exactly how you want your shrimp. Remember, don't overcook your shrimp. I am ready to lay it right on the top. Remember about all those drippings. Don't throw them away because all those drippings have all those amazing flavors of the shrimp. I am going to garnish it with a little bit of scallions right on the top. I'm going to add those drippings right on the top to give the mashed potato such a delicious flavor. Look how this looks. Your mouth is watering. You like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. I am ready to enjoy this amazing creamy mashed potato and shrimp. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing mashed potato, creamy mashed potato and shrimp. Let me tell you, this always comes out amazing. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. The potato is so creamy. The spices on the shrimp, just perfection, made at home. Like I say, Mamma mia, this came out perfect. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I'll see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.